Plant FAQs. Begonia Ambassador Scarlet. Begonia Ambassador Scarlet, your guide to fiery summer blooms. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your burning questions about the Begonia Ambassador Scarlet, a dazzling addition to any garden. This begonia boasts vibrant red blooms that erupt all summer long, making it a true ambassador of color. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. The Begonia Ambassador Scarlet is a cultivar, a cultivated variety, of the Begonia semperflorens species. Often called the wax begonia or green-leaf fibrous-rooted begonia, it's known for its compact size. This begonia stays pleasantly mounded, reaching about 6 to 8 inches tall and wide. Non-stop blooms. From late spring to late summer, the Ambassador Scarlet explodes with scarlet blossoms, accented by sunny yellow stamens in the center. Resilient nature. This begonia thrives in both full sun and part shade, making it adaptable to various garden settings. It even tolerates hot and humid conditions, a welcome trait in many climates. Low maintenance. Ambassador Scarlet requires moderate watering and enjoys a bi-weekly feeding with fertilizer to keep those blooms pumping. How to care for Begonia Ambassador Scarlet. Planting your Begonia Ambassador Scarlet is a breeze. Here's what you need to know. Timing. Aim to plant your begonia after the danger of frost has passed in your area. Location. Choose a spot with full sun to part shade. Opt for well-draining soil to prevent root rot. Spacing. Plant your begonias about 8 to 10 inches apart to allow for proper growth and airflow. Watering. Water your begonia regularly, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid soggy conditions. Fertilizing. Feed your begonia with a balanced fertilizer every 2 weeks during the growing season. With a little TLC, your Begonia Ambassador Scarlet will reward you with a stunning display of color throughout the summer. Begonia Ambassador Scarlet versus other begonias. While the Ambassador Scarlet is a superstar, there are other begonias to consider. Here's a quick comparison. Begonia Dragon Wing. This begonia boasts larger, wing-shaped blooms in vibrant colors, but it requires more shade and cooler temperatures. Begonia boliviensis. This cascading begonia is perfect for hanging baskets, offering a trailing habit with non-stop pink or red blooms. It prefers shade to part shade. Begonia reger. This begonia is known for its large, double blooms in various colors. It's a popular choice for indoor containers, but requires more humidity than the Ambassador Scarlet. Ultimately, the best begonia for you depends on your desired flower size, growth habit, and preferred light conditions. How long does Begonia Ambassador Scarlet bloom? This begonia is a prolific bloomer, gracing your garden with vibrant flowers from late spring to late summer. Deadheading, removing spent blooms, can encourage further flowering. Does Begonia Ambassador Scarlet attract pollinators? The bright red blooms and pollen-laden centers of the Begonia Ambassador Scarlet are sure to attract butterflies and hummingbirds, adding a touch of life to your garden. Is Begonia Ambassador Scarlet deer-resistant? Fortunately, deer tend to find begonias unpalatable. This makes the Ambassador Scarlet a good choice for gardens prone to deer browsing. Can Begonia Ambassador Scarlet be grown indoors? While primarily an outdoor plant, the Begonia Ambassador Scarlet can be brought indoors for the winter if you can provide it with bright light and consistent moisture. However, it may not bloom as profusely as it does outdoors. Where can I buy Begonia Ambassador Scarlet? You can find Begonia Ambassador Scarlet at many nurseries, garden centers, and online retailers. Look for seedlings or small plants in the spring or early summer. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the fiery beauty of the Begonia Ambassador Scarlet in your garden for many seasons to come. So, get planting and prepare to be dazzled by its nonstop blooms.